Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and it's your girl Courtney, and I know it has been forever since I've been on camera for you, but here I am, honey, celebrating my birthday month. Yes, honey, in January, a queen was born. And I am celebrating all month in my signature color, purple. So if you'd like to join me, simply create a Tablescape vignette, whatever you'd like to decorate in purple, to send me a happy birthday and celebrate with me. If you have visited my channel before, you know that purple is my signature color in all of its various shades and hues. I love purple. Today's tablecloth is a kind of a plum, and I know it's picturing on video a little bit more burgundy, but it is a plum purple. Next, on top of that, I am coming in with these gorgeous Z Gallery chargers. On top of that, I have some silver plates that I picked up at Home Goods some time ago, along with the matching bowls. And the purple saucers were a thrift find. Pottery Barn, honey. And I got the whole set, including 5 dinner plates, 5 bowls, and 5 saucers for $8 at Salvation Army. What a deal. And you know I love hunting down those good deals. Next, I'm coming in with some plum glassware and a couple of other accessories. So go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy while I finish putting this beautiful plum tablescape together for my birthday. And I'll meet you at the end. Happy Tablescape Tuesdays. The ladies of elegance, myself, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor's weekly open playlist. Every Tuesday at 6 p.m. I am absolutely living for this plum and silver birthday tablescape, and I hope you are too. Let me know what you think in those comments. If you're new here, let me say welcome to you once again. My name is Courtney, and I love sharing my passion for decorating, DIYs, thrift lips, shopping hauls, and more. So if you enjoy that type of content, honey, you have reached the right channel. If you're enjoying today's video, give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And to all my fellow YouTube creators, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Simply create a Tablescape video and upload it using our hashtag TablescapeTuesdays22. And we'll meet you there. And if you have any Tablescape divas that you know that would love to participate, invite them. We'd love to have them join us. The more the merrier. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.